Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So here we are already started NEET course. So subject is biology. So in that we are covering frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions. So here we're going to start our new concept. What is the concept is Red Data Book, Extinct and Endangered Animals or Species. That are the concepts, today's concept. So we're going to start first one. The species which no longer exist anywhere on the earth is called. So no longer exist means it will going to completely vanish after some days. So first option extinct species, endangered species, epidemic species and endemic species. So we know that is extinct species. So what is meant by extinction? The species which no longer exist anywhere on the earth. It will going to vanish. So it will going to completely extinct from the earth, eliminate or eradicating from the earth. So that type of species are called extinct species. Next one. Which of the following is an extinct species of animals? So which are the following species are extinct? Already completely extincted from the earth. So tigers are there, desert cat is also there, snow leopard and doo-doo. So doo-doo. So if you have any doubts, you can type doo-doo in internet. We will get the doo-doo bird. It's looking like a duck. Next one. What do you mean by extinct animal? First option, a type of animal which kept in a red data book, a type of animal which kept in very of extinct, a type of animal which no longer exists on earth, both A and B. So third one we know that is option C. What is that? A type of animal which no longer exists on earth. That is called extinct animal. So they are asking continuously about extinct only. Next one, see fourth one. The species which are facing danger of extinction are called. Danger of extinction means it will come under after 1 or 2 years or after some few years, it will come under extinction. So that type of animal is what? First option, extinct species. No. Endangered species, endemic species and epidemic species. So fourth one we know that is endangered species. So after few years, it will come under extinct. So very near to extinction. That type of species are called endangered species. Next, fifth one. Which of the following wild animals is an endangered species? Means endangered means it's near to the extinct process. That is doo-doo, it is already extinct. Cave loon and Caspian tiger and desert cat. So we know that is desert cat is an endangered species. Next one, endangered species will kept in. So first option, red data book, blue book, green book and white book. So we know that is red data book. So red data book, in that all endangered species will keep. Next one, seventh one, the book which keep a record of all the endangered animals is. So we are already discussed in previous question, that is red data book. So endangered species will be there in red data book. Endangered animal is also red data book. Same question. Next one. Which of the following wild animals is not listed in red data book in India? So which is not endangered species that is there in India? Black duck, flying squirrel and tiger and leopard. So already endangered, tiger is already endangered, black duck and flying squirrel. Only one thing, that is leopard. Leopard. Next one, migration means an animal moving from one place to another, an animal flying in the sky, an animal survive, an animal getting shelter on the earth. So we know that is animal moving from one place to the another, that is called migrations. Next one, the migratory bird which comes from Siberia to India. So which one will come from Siberia to India in winter seasons? That is crow, quail, crane, kingfisher. So we know that is that 10th one is crane, that will come from Siberia to India. And from which country Siberian crane is migrated due to India? We already discussed from Siberia. So no need to check other options. It is Siberia, that is option B. Next one. Next one. Expand IUCN. Indian Union for Conservation of Nature. Second one, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Third one, International Union for Cultivating Crops. International Union for Concentration on Nature. So we know that is second option, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature. Next question, 13th one. The Siberian crane comes to India every year in winter for what? First option, why it is come to India? To escape the severe summer, to escape the severe winter, to escape the heavy rains, to escape from predators. So 13th option we know that is to escape the severe winter from Siberia. Next 14th one. Extinct species have all vanished from this earth due to natural disasters, comfortable conditions, both A and B, and favorable conditions. Why it is extinct species are all are vanished from earth? 14th one we know that is both A and B. Natural disasters and comfortable conditions. So it don't get required conditions due to humans activities. So for that it will going to extinct. Next question. What is an endangered animal? An animal on the near of extinction, exactly. An animal which is extinct, no. An animal that is dangerous to the other animals, no. An animal that is useful other animals, no. It is near to extinction, that is called endangered animals. Next one, 16th one. Red Data Book is maintained by WWF, next UNESCO and MEF and IUCN. So we know that is IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Next, 17th one. Statement A. Extinct species means which no longer extinct on earth. Exactly. Dodo and dinosaurs are examples of extinct species. Both are correct. So where it is? 17th one, both A and B are true. Next, 18th one. Statement A. Species which are facing risk of extinction are called endangered species. Risk of extinction, exactly. Endangered species are kept in red data book. So risk of extinction, no. So 18th one is C. Both are correct. C are both are correct. Why? Because risk of extinction is called endangered, and endangered species will keep it in a red data book. Next, 19th one. Statement A. Red Data Book is maintained by IUCN, exactly, International Union for Conservation of Nature. And statement B. International Union for Conservation of Nature protects extinct species. So 19th one here is A is true, B is false. Where it is A is true and B is false, that is C option. Next, 28th one. Statement A. Migration of animal is to protect itself from severe winter. Exactly. And migration helps to increase the population. It is also correct. Migration helps to increase the population. No, you have to think about this. So migration of animal is to protect itself from severe winter. Exactly. Why? Because the Siberian cranes will come from Siberia to India, and it won't help in increase in population, but some cases it's okay. But here up to now it is false. So A is true, B is false. That is option B. Next one. Match the following. Column 1, extinct species, endangered species. Here risk of extinction moves from one place to another place. And you can go with the 22 red data book, migration of birds. So let's see all the things here. So PQRS, let's going to take like this. So extinct species which are no longer exist on earth, that is extinct, and preserve the data of endangered species, that is red data book. So red data book is preserve the data, and migration of birds moves one place to another place, and endangered species risk of extinction, and extinct species which no longer. That is 3 1 3 1 4 2. So that is option D. Option D. So that is the option D. Next one. Next question 22. Match the following. Dodo, flying squirrel, tiger. Red data book, endangered species, extinct species. So we know that is extinct species is dodo. Come to extinct species. And flying squirrel is, tiger is endangered species. Exactly 22 is. So that is flying squirrel is red data book, that is endangered. Red data book already extinct, and our tiger is endangered species, that is 312. 312 where it is B, option B. Next one 23. Red data book, Siberian crane and dinosaur, migration, extinct species, and IUCN. IUCN means it's related to red data book. Exactly. So P is red data book is maintained by IUCN. 3. Siberian crane is related to migration. So cranes will come from Siberia to India from severe winter conditions. Dinosaur is extinct species, that is 312, that is option B. Next one. Match the following. Black duck, Irish deer, and lion-tailed macaque, whatever it is. Black duck, so that is here endangered species, red data book, and extinct species. P is black duck is endangered species, red data book, and Irish deer is extinct species, and lion-tailed macaque is endangered species. That is 2, 3, 1. That is option B. Next, last question. The following animals are the examples of endangered species. Black duck, cave lion, tiger. Snow leopard, desert cat, and Kashmir stag. Black duck, desert cat, and Kashmir stag. Desert cat, Kashmir stag, and black duck. Snow leopard, endangered species, desert cat, and Kashmir. So here option B. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.